Vibes fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Make we start the bubbling of the pot. On today's menu we have stew peas, white rice and fried plantains. Yes, and here are the ingredients that I will be using today. My peas put for soak from overnight, and that's my salted pigtail, coconut milk, pimento. So first I'm going to put my pigtail to boil just to remove some of the salt, because this thing is really salty. So I'm pouring some hot water onto it and I'm going to leave it until it comes to a boil. I didn't want to cover it, but it was taking a minute for boil up, so me did just end up having to do something because me need to get it going. So I just catch the pot on the side because you don't want to cover it. So yeah, this is it all done. So I pour off the water and I pour some fresh water onto it. So now I'm going to pressure the peas and the pigtail together. So I added a few pimento seed. Now I'm lock it up and I'm gonna pressure it for 30 minutes. And I don't need it to be all the way cooked, but I need it to be a lot there. So now here it is after 30 minutes. Cool it down. So now let's see what we are working with. So I'm going to transfer the peas and the pigtail to my wok to finish cook. Because remember, I said I never want it to be all the way there, but I need it to get there a lot. So yeah. Some did start for like pour it out, but then of course me that make a mess. So then me just use the spoon. So the last part now me just pour out the rest. So we need to test to see how tender our meat is, if any at all. And yes, as you see, Farky is going through, so this is ready. So yeah, I'm going to leave that on the flame for a minute while I cut these up. And guys, you can blend these out if you don't wish to have them in your stew peas, but I don't mind them. So time for nice up the stew peas. Add some coconut milk, garlic for sure, thyme, stick it in there, scallion or green onions, and some pimento powder because the seed never enough. Mix it up. And I'm going to add the sweet peppers. Cover it and leave it to cook for 15 minutes so it can, reduce. Then I remember this coconut milk, so I added it. I take it from the fridge and I gladly added it. Yes, because it's so good, smells so good. It was the fresh one when my husband blend up, so really nice. So while that's cooking down, we're going to make the dough for the spinners. I'm only adding just a toops of salt because the pigtail salt enough. So yeah, mix it up, you add some water, combine it all and make a nice little dough ball. So mix. Of course, you can do this with your hand. So yeah, that's it. Spinners time. Yes, and on a spin class, but we are going to spin. you don't want to do these too big. Actually, make them whatever size you want to make them. All if a cartwheel. Do what you like. Do you, boo. So yeah, I'm just going to take, you know, a little piece of dough and just rub it, just spin it between my hands as I was showing you guys. So yeah, just a nice little touch. By the way, sometimes I don't always add spinners to my stew peas, as me always tell you, any which way me can cut some calories, I do. So yeah, that's one of the way. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to take some of the stew and pour it onto the spinners just to get them, you know, a little bit firm before me start mix up everything and then go get them all bent out of shape. So that's just me being conscious about them little spinners. So here they are. So yeah, we're going to cover this for another 15 minutes and make it go and reduce. Look at her bubbling away. So yeah, 15 minutes and then we'll rally back. So let's cook some white rice. So I'm pouring some hot water into my pot and I'm not going to add any salt to the rice. The pig's tail is salt enough for everybody in the congregation, so we not add no more salt. So cover her down, make sure cook. And make we see what go on in the stew. Oh, stew peas, yeah. So yeah, go on. So yeah, add a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, and I intentionally added this late because it's so spicy. I mean, it's fiery bad, and I didn't want it to be cooking long into my stew peas. So yeah, and I add a little black pepper. So stir it all up. And then I go just make this cook only for an extra 5 minutes. Just to incorporate. Ooh. Listen, I was stopped in my tracks. That was so good. So yeah, just to incorporate the flavor. So 5 minutes. And guys, this is it. This is it all done. Check out the goodness. And it smells divine. No joke. The coconut milk is just it's so good. Oh my goodness. And remember guys, taste as you go along. Taste and see where you want. You know, this name want nothing. Goodity good. Me say just awesome. Just awesome. When you can tell so I'm excited, I'm super excited. So anyway, let's fry some plantains. I love fried plantain. So, you know, I have my stew peas without it. Especially because I don't like eating stew peas with vegetable. So I go fry up 2 pieces of plantain. And this is us. Take them out because them are ready to go. We said done. Boom. Vibes fam. Uno run go call uno mother, father, brother, sister, and uno granny and come here. Me say uno run go call them and come here. Uno listen to me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I feel a spirit. Yes. When me say delicious, me mean D-I-licious to the 10th power. No joke. No joke. Me nah go round, no. Me nah go round, you know. A straight facts me a give, you know. Trust me. Me can't tell you, no. Me can't tell you, no. Me love stew peas. You can't tell so me excited. Me love stew peas. Me love stew peas. I only my mother could have tell you, no. Oh, me love stew peas. Me no joke when it comes to my stew peas. And that's why I had to make a stew peas alternative when I was living in Japan, because I could go all them years there and me not eat no stew peas. By the way, I'm going to link that video there in the description box so you can check it out. Please check it out. So yes, Vibes fam, here it is. Here we have it. One of my all-time favorite stew peas. Hey, by the way, I just want to give a shout out to my new subscribers. Welcome to the Vibes fam. Welcome to the Vibes family. Thanks for your support and for roping in over here. So, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks so much to my new watchers. Please subscribe. Vibes fam, hit the thumbs up button if you love on the stew peas too. Oh my goodness. And family, follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thanks for your support. I can't say it enough. Thank you and God bless you.